Hey YouTube, back at it again. I'm gonna do some woodwork. w126. I'm gonna take you right back, gonna make some preparations. Clean the brush. Open the varnish. I'll be right back. Woodwork w126. At it again. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. This is I think the third time, maybe the fourth time. I'm losing count. But I think it's gonna be the last time. And then I'm gonna install it. Day after tomorrow, we're gonna install it into the bench. A little bit here, one final touch. And then we're gonna let it flow. And we're gonna take this piece, sanded it. Zo goed en zo kwaad als dat ging. Okay. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Old school. Not completely perfect, but wow. Okay, let it dry. Just let it dry. Well, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. When I got 50 abonnees, I go live. Well, thank you very much.